Joshua Gashero. I come from Muranga County and in Matanya village. I scored 397 in my KCPE. I have been called to Murang'a High. We are 14 in our family. My father is a cash laborer and my mother is a small-scale farmer. I am in a large family and there is shortage of basic needs, including food, sometimes clothing. Some well-wishers and teachers have been helping us and have supported my education and the education of my siblings. I was often kicked out of primary school and my cousin would come to support me. In my KCPE, the highest score was 88 in mathematics. The reason why I attained such math is that I used to practice, and as our teacher had told us, practice makes perfect. I always used that principle. When I finish my education and get a job, I would build hospital and bring all the services there, because in this area there is shortage of those facilities that are needed. What I see in this area, those rich men usually support the poor. I support those who helps because they sponsor children from the less fortunate and they help them, like the equity.
Crashes nĩ ciatũmire tũruci my father-in-law o hingo itarĩ niĩ mũhiku, na rĩu yana itetu yarĩ yana itetu, ũguo tũkĩdecide gũkorwo tũrĩ andũ a gũthiĩ taũni ĩno na ĩrĩa ĩngĩ tũkĩcaragia tũbiacara tũngĩhũra, na nĩrĩo twacokire ningĩ mũico gũkorwo rĩu nĩ twaga ũndũ ũngĩ wa gwĩka, tũkĩona athuri itũra magĩtũiga haha tũrĩ. Rĩu hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ndĩrakoretwo ndĩ kũrigwo-inĩ ta kũu, to fly nĩ maranjoereire, maroka mararũgama ithenya-inĩ rĩu, na ndĩraigua ndakena mũno nĩ ũndũ wa kũrũgama ithenya-inĩ rĩu na kũnjoera mwana ũcio, na rĩu mwana wakwa nĩ egũthoma.
Being a CSSB member is a calling. The time that you are required in that activity, the energy that you put in that activity, and there is no remuneration. What you set aside, it is basically a sacrifice. The miles that you have to cover is also a sacrifice. That is why I can say it is a calling.